Hey, remember in our last video, we talked about how Databricks is the solution to achieve your data's potential. Well, today we're diving into the next question. How do you actually use it to boost your business? Hi, everyone. If you're ready to turn your data into a real revenue driver, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to walk you through 7 simple steps on how you can actually use Databricks to make a serious impact. Step 1, set clear business goals. Without clear goals, your data is just data. Databricks helps you align your data strategy with your business objectives, so every data point is working for you. Step 2, build a unified data ecosystem. If your data's all over the place, you're never going to get the full picture. Bring all your data together in one place with Databricks. One version of the truth, easy to access and analyze. Step 3, use real-time analytics. Make decisions based on live data, not outdated reports. Databricks gives you real-time insights so you can act on your data the moment you need to. Step 4, build scalable predictive models. Databricks makes predictive modeling simple. You can forecast sales, predict customer churn, and so much more. And the best part? These models scale with your business as it grows. Step 5, automate your data-driven decisions. Let's be real, you've got a million things to focus on. Wouldn't it be great if your data could just make decisions for you? Well, Databricks helps you automate all those data-driven processes so you can focus on more strategic work. Step 6, prioritize key metrics. Focus on the KPIs that really matter. Databricks helps you focus on the KPIs that truly matter to your business, not the noise. You can track performance in real time, so you can act fast and make the right decisions. Step 7, improve team collaboration. Databricks makes it easy for teams to share insights and work together, from sales to product development. Everyone stays in sync, driving your revenue forward. With Databricks, your teams can collaborate seamlessly, share dashboards, and make data-driven decisions together. That's it! 7 simple steps to leverage Databricks and boost your revenue. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments below.